What's up with it, y'all? It's JD Travelsthenix, and I'm back with another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some ring work. I'm over here at Leahy Park, and it's right by Diamond Head. Let me turn the camera on and show that Diamond Head crater right there. And we got the ring set up here. We got 2 rings set up here. We got a speed ladder over here for our warm-ups, and then we have some cones so we can do some cone drills. Basically today, I'm just gonna be running through a ring workout. Me and my homeboy Lee is right here. We're gonna run through a ring workout, do a little bit of agility work, and then probably cap off the workout with some sprints. But we're gonna get started right now and go ahead and jump on the agility ladder right now. The first exercise, I'm just gonna warm up doing something real light, and this is just side to side, high knees, down and back. Let's do these. So the second exercise that we're gonna do as a warm-up is just a basic skip routine. And I'll probably say I'm gonna do 10 skips down and 10 skips back. Which exercise you think you want to pick one for the
yeah.
Which one you want to do next on here?
Let's do what we normally do.
Oh, you know what? I want to do it. Let's do this one, and then I got one more that we'll do after this.
Sounds good.
So this is the lateral in and out drill right here. This is the last one we'll do for a warm-up. And get it started for this side. Just done with this one.
Purchase your tracks today.
Kind of a hop in and hop out. All right, y'all, so that's the 5 warm-up drills that we're gonna do. So I mean, that's actually 4 warm-up drills that we're gonna do. We're gonna do 5 sets of those. So 5 sets of those skips, 5 sets of those lateral high knees, 5 sets of those lateral in and outs, and then 5 sets of those hop in and hop outs on the speed ladder. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna move on to the rings. All right, y'all, I did 2 ring muscle ups so far. Didn't get either one of them on film. I'm gonna try to get this one on if I got the strength. One is good. Yep. All right, y'all. So Lee's gonna work on the muscle up movement. He's gonna keep his feet on the ground, but get in that false grip first. Get in a false grip from the top. That way, yeah, just like that. Now get a good solid grip on it and then come down. No, yeah, then just come down, but you can put your feet on the ground and now come up and do the muscle up movement. So with your feet, so your feet are actually gonna be like helping you get up. There you go. All right, so not just try to do it. You might want to lower the rings. So Lee's got the false grip going, and he's gonna come up with his feet on the ground into a muscle up. So come up, there you go, and then push yourself up. There you go. So practice, just do sets of 3 on, just do a set of 3 on those. There you go. So you're getting the movement down, you still making yourself get that push at the top. There you go, good work. Yeah, do one more. Perfect. Perfect. So now what you're doing is you're building up the strength. And on top of that, when you come down on that negatively, come down real slow on that negative. Because that's where you really build that strength, is on that negative. Right there. There you go. Good shit. Perfect. All right, so the next exercise we're going to do is skin the cats. We're going to do those on the high rings.
Purchase your tracks today.
You want to throw those over the top or not?
Yeah, I just wanted to get rid of that.
It's part of being in the elements.
Yeah, true.
Alright, so like I said, the next exercise is going to be skin the cats. And we're going to do these on the high rings. And you can do different variations of skin the cats. So I'll run through probably like 3 of them on. This is just the basic. And the next one we do, if you want to engage the core a little bit more, come up and get into a hold.
Purchase your tracks today.
Pick one up.
Purchase your tracks today.
But you don't have to do, you can do whatever one you want. To be honest with you, my favorite skin the cat is just the basic one. What about you, Lee?
Yeah, I would say probably the basic, mostly just because it's all I can do.
Yeah.
But let's try some shit.
Nah, I think you can do the other ones. You can definitely do that. The one where try, yeah, go with the first one, and then there you go.
Purchase your tracks today.
Good job. Good shit.
That's the first time I've done one of those. Probably close to a month.
We're gonna run right into some dips. Let's run right into some ring dips. So on these, I'm gonna go up on pronated grip, and then once I get to a pronated grip, I'm gonna twist into a supinated grip, something like this.
Purchase your tracks today.
Supernated is this?
Yeah, when you, but you don't want to, not all the way out, but
like
just
once I get in.
yeah. So go up, pronated, now twist. There you go,
Purchase
perfect.
your tracks today.
Now come down, just like that. Come up, just like that, perfect. Beautiful. Just like that. Great work. Great work. Good shit. There you go. Knock this last one out. Lock it out. You got it. Good shit though. So we're gonna do some pistol squats here, and I'm just gonna do 5 sets of 5 reps.
Purchase your tracks today.
Sick fucking background, that's for sure. Lee's gonna come over here and do some
Purchase your tracks today.
pistol squats, assisted ones on the rings. Basically, I would say just hold this, whatever is comfortable for you, and then you can kind of, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because you're kind of holding yourself up,
Yeah.
but just try to get it.
Try without.
Try to do as much without pulling or
Yeah.
yanking. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But this is always here as a stabilizer.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see.
Nah, it's gonna be you'll definitely be able to do these. There you go.
5.
Yep. Try to keep that heel on the ground though.
Yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
There you go, perfect.
This is gonna be the real test right here.
On the other hip.
Right, which is like my stronger leg, but it's damaged right now.
How's that feeling? Give it a little bit more. Give it a little bit more support. Just really just want to get that movement down.
How many exercises was that? That was 4, right?
All right, you guys, so we just got finished doing that first round of exercises, and that was 5 sets of 4 different exercises. The ring muscle ups, the ring dips going from the pronated grip to the supinated grip, the skin to cats, and then for the legs portion of that circuit, we were doing pistol squats. I did my pistol squats on an elevated surface. Lee did his assisted with the rings. So we're moving on to the next set, or we're moving on to the next circuit, and the first exercise on this next circuit is going to be a pull-up. Once we get to the top, we're going to move to the left and then move to the right. This is going to be a killer. And to be completely honest with you, my shoulders are already on fire right now from the first portion of this workout. And actually it's a carryover effect from that isometric workout that we did, I don't know, what, 3 days ago, something like that. But my shoulders are on fire, so I'm gonna probably do pull-ups, some ring push-ups, and then some jump squats. And if I feel up to it, I might add in some ring flies. But let's start off with these pull-ups. I don't know how many sets, how many reps I'm gonna do on these. It's all up to feel.
Go until you burn out.
Purchase your tracks today.
Man, 5 is killer for that.
Shit.
Purchase your tracks today.
There you go. Perfect. Come up. Side. Side. Stabilize. Come down. Perfect. Side. Side. Stabilize. Come down. Knock this last one out. You got it.
Fuck.
Good shit, Lee. These ring workouts hit different.
Next exercise, we're gonna throw the band on. We're gonna get over here and we're gonna do some jump squats. Find an even spot to start.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm gonna see how it feels on my knee.
Yeah, do these bands. It's actually good for your knees.
Main. There you go.
Purchase your tracks today.
Perfect. Let's get straight into the push-ups. Let's work out till 12 o'clock. 20 more minutes, so however many sets we can get in.
All right, y'all, we're just gonna do 3 exercises on this last circuit. And the last exercise we're gonna do on this circuit is gonna be the ring push-ups.
Purchase your tracks today.
That's good work, man. Nice and slow. Perfect form. Nice and light, gentle. That's good.
Killer. For today, we got finished doing about 11 exercises. Alright, y'all, that's it for today. We did 11 exercises total, 4 warm-up exercises, and then 7 exercises, 3 separate circuits. The ring workout is a completely different beast. So for those of you who work out on the bars, doing calisthenics at home, you probably like to do a lot of high reps, but with the rings, I would say it's more quality over quantity. You don't want to worry about getting too many reps in. You just want to worry about getting quality reps in, especially on the more advanced movements. The stuff that we did today was super tough. Shoulder killers, chest killers, bicep, tricep killers, all that. So it was a great workout. Lee, what you think about the workout?
Man, my core is fucking hurting right now.
Yeah.
From a stabilization. So, yeah, that's one thing that I think that is great about the rings is that not only are you getting that compound effect, but you're really working, because you're stabilizing your whole lower bottom part of your body, you're using a lot of core. And so that's one thing that I noticed today. My shit is burning.
Definitely, definitely. The rings, you have to incorporate core, because the rings, the main difference about the rings versus the bars is that it's all stabilization. You can't use that bar to balance yourself. You actually have to balance your own body with those rings, and you have 2 separate entities that you're hanging on to balance on. But anyways, y'all, that's it for today's workout. I'll take a little stroll around here, let you guys see some of the sights over here. It's a beautiful, beautiful little park right here. We got Diamond Head over here. All these palm trees, open field. I actually meant to do some sprints out here today, but kind of ran out of time. And then you just got the ocean over here. You got the ocean. You got some good swell over here. And there's nobody down here. You got the whole park to yourself. I mean, you have a couple people coming here and there. And then afterwards, next time I come down here, I'm gonna hit the beach, because I don't know if you can see it. Me and my girl actually went to the beach down there the other day. So if you walk along this pathway right here, all the way down to the end, there's a beach over there. A little tucked off beach, a little hidden one. And yesterday we went, it was a Sunday, and it was probably only about 7 or 8 people there total the whole time we was at the beach. So it's real kickback. But anyways, y'all, that's it for the video today. I hope everybody's having a great day. I'll holler at you guys later. Oh yeah, if you guys are interested in any personalized diet coaching, any personalized body weight training coaching, hit my website up, travelsthenix.com, or hit me on Instagram, that's at Travelsthenix. And again, I highly recommend everybody who watches this video, if you're into calisthenics training, go out and scoop you some rings. Peace.